Thanksgiving dinner for myself. For myself. Now for the mushrooms. Now for the mushrooms. Let the mushrooms sweat for a bit. Happy Thanksgiving! Ooh la la. Oh yeah, garlic butter. This is kind of a bit butter. Garlic butter. Turn it on to medium-high heat. It is the same pan I used for the mushroom sauce. Wait for it to heat up. Putting in the garlic butter here, and then we're going to add the rosemary later when it's melted. So that's what we're going to cook the steak in. I'm going to have a Wagyu steak from Kimberly, from a local farmer. Delicious garlic butter. Butter is melted, so it's time to take this gorgeous looking sirloin that's been seasoned with salt and pepper onto the butter. Oh, listen to that sizzle. And we're going to add the rosemary just into the butter sauce right there. And then we're going to be spooning, or add a little bit more butter, and then we'll be spooning the rosemary on top and the butter sauce so that to keep the sirloin nice and moist and to get the flavors. A little bit more butter. I know it looks like a lot of butter, but you're cooking a la francais, so I've got to put that butter. And then we're just spooning the rosemary on top of the butter while it cooks to a nice medium rare. So it's mostly cooked. It's going to do that nice browning on it. We're going to take it off and let it rest. And then we're going to slice through it. And we're going to use this, and we're going to reheat that mushroom sauce. We'll take out the rosemary. I'm not going to eat that rosemary. It's just there for flavor. And we're going to use this oil to finish off the mushroom sauce. Added a couple of spoonfuls of sour cream. Mushroom sauce is done. The steak is resting, and it's time to take the yam fries out of the oven. Cutting strips, nice blue meat.